Never feel stuck, or I never feel stressed about what to eat, or that's the wrong cafe to go to. I always kind of go, oh my God, these meals are amazing. Hello from Bali, Indonesia, streaming into your incredible space from Sanura Genius Cafe, which is an awesome location because it's right on the beach. And I was thinking about all the people that come in through my cleanse program and trying to work out what to eat afterwards. And it's such a really great question actually, because my 21-day cleanse is all about pre-digestible foods, right? And high in prebiotics. And as you finish the cleanse, it's like, oh, what do I do afterwards? Like, what do I eat? It's such a great question. Or how do I eat? How do I cook? And what do I cook with? And I was thinking about that, and I was like, oh my goodness, what would I do? And the greatest thing you can do is add more plants to your world. And I'll dump in the link down here to the cleanse and to my 14-day plant-driven transformation, which allows you to go from the cleanse into more plants, and then you can have this extension into the real world, like in cafes, right? And so the thing is, when you're cleansing, is especially my cleanse, which is all pre-digestible. In other words, the blender's doing the work for you. There's basically no teeth from the chin down. So that blender is our teeth. So throughout the cleanse, it's like all these incredible, nourishing, high amounts of nourishment dishes that have this ability to give you a natural mineral and vitamin supplement, right? Then after that, the body has had this rest, the digestion has had this rest. It's still working, but it's a different type of rest, right? Because we're not using the energy up in chewing. Our stomach acids are still doing these amazing things, and our digestion is just like loving it. Then we go on to high plant-based, really high plant-based, breakfast, lunch and dinner, and that's where the chewing comes in. And then after that, we go into cafes, like this one, right? And the greatest thing you can do in a cafe, and this is what I tell all my girlfriends, is order the sides. I know, right? So say there's a dish on the menu that's, say, chicken, mashed potato, beans, peas, carrots, a really nice dressing, or say there's a meat dish on there, say there's, a salad on there that has either fish or something. All you do is you just ask for the sides. So with one of the dishes here, I would have the mashed potato, the sauteed veggies. I'd even get the potato chunks, which are so delicious. And then I'd get some salad on the side, and I'd ask them to put onto one plate. And there's one thing about restaurants, that there's always something you can take off a plate and put it onto your plate. So, and that's what I love about it. So when you say to a waitress, I really like the chicken dinner, but I'm not really eating chicken right now. Can I have all those bits and these other sides onto one plate? And they're like, yeah, no worries. And they'll figure out a price for you. And that's wherever I go, where I never feel stuck, or I never feel stressed about, what to eat, or that's the wrong cafe to go to. I always kind of go, oh my God, these meals are amazing. I'm just going to get the rice and the peas and this and that, and maybe if they've got tofu on the menu in the Buddha bowl, I'm going to take that across to my plate. And it just alleviates all the stress of eating. So if you've done my 21-day cleanse and you really want to have a high plant-based meals afterwards, my 14-day straight plant-based meal plan and shopping list. It's a real cool challenge because it gives you everything you need. Do that, and then after that, when you're eating in cafes, do your best to not stress, lower the shoulders, breathe, and know you can get things and create from the dishes that are there, and order all the sides. Blessings to you. See ya.